Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Rob with Do It Dizzy. Today I just wanted to point out some great deals on SSDs for either a PS5 upgrade or maybe your next PC build. The first one I wanted to point out was this Crucial P5 Plus 1TB drive for $80.99 here on Amazon. What's awesome about this is it's about $20 cheaper than the competition, and it's a 1TB drive, so you can add double the space on your PS5. Great for a new PC build as well, and it's a great deal right now. It's like 50% off, which is an awesome deal. The second upgrade option that I wanted to point out was the Samsung 980 Pro 2TB, and I think this is an absolute awesome deal. It's $159 for the 980 Pro 2TB model. Now, with all these SSDs, you are going to need to get a heatsink, but I think there's better options for cheaper heatsinks that you can apply to this. But I just wanted to point this out. It's $159 for the 2TB option, which is like tripling your storage on your PS5, which is great. You can get it with the heatsink for $179. But I think it's just a better option to just go with the drive and buy a second or a different group's heatsink. It just seems like a better deal for me. I also wanted to point out that you can go to Samsung's website directly and you can get the same drive for the same price. However, I would recommend, if you go on the website, if you look on the bottom left where you see that chat box, if you chat with one of their agents, I did this earlier today, they actually offered me $8 off my drive, but I also found out if you're in school, you have an education discount because you're in university, you can get $16 off this, and it's free shipping. So this is a great option as well if you're really looking for this drive. However, you do have to prove that you're a student. So if you're wanting to do that, make sure you have your credentials. It was pretty easy for me to be able to do that, but this is a great option as well. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video. Like and subscribe if you like today's content. If you have any future tech that you want a good price on or you're looking for a deal on, comment in the section below what that is and I'll keep my eyes out for it. I'm doing a current playthrough of Hogwarts Legacy, so check that out as well. Thanks and have a good night.